can all agree how unlivable cities would be if the basic infrastructure undergirding everyday existence failed. Losing electricity, water, sewage, internet, phones, or anything else delivered by pipe, wire, or cable is a major pain in the rear that intensifies with each passing hour it remains offline. So the last thing any citizen wants is for the professionals who work in these industries to be slowed down by unnecessary obstacles in the street. Not coincidentally, the tradespeople involved can't stand road diet measures either. One telecom veteran outlined how things have gotten progressively worse over the years.
We gotta get close where the work's at. Work is in that hole. We gotta set up here. The bike lanes make it harder to get to work, get home, and get to your spot. We're supposed to be able to improvise. Now it gets so bad where I can't get the truck through. I have to take a table out. We gotta put the truck as close as we can so we can plug up to the truck.
A Maryland project supervisor, who gave us 10 minutes of his time, detailed a variety of adjustments he and his colleagues have had to make to do what they need to do.
It's terrible. That's why they're giving us smaller trucks, because we don't have nowhere to park. They have this project right now going on. If I go to the street right here, you know how they put the little sticks in the corners? That was the only spot we could usually park sometimes, you know. And then put our cones out to mark the utilities so they could do their work. And now we cannot. They're getting paid. They got work, so they're happy they got work. But they say, I don't even know why they're doing this. Look at this. Where am I gonna park at? We ain't got no parking space.
So, the next time you experience an extended outage or even a run-of-the-mill utility delay, remember whose fault it might be.